Does body count matter to you? Do you really think women should know their partner's body count? Would you be okay with your partner still being friends with exes?
I think no, because past is past.
Do you mind sharing your body counts if it's, okay? Does body count matter to you?
Well, personally, it doesn't really matter for me as long as you love the person. But if you really want to know their history, nowadays, the STD, the STI, and such on, you know, when you like have like a sex with your partner, um, wala na naman
Definitely you have to ask him, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Now, do you really think women should know their partner's body count?
Well, for me, yes. For you also to be aware of their body counts, and then to be also wait lang po.
It's okay, don't worry. To be also what?
Um to be also aware if they are no,
They're
wala
what?
na po
They're
kasi.
sick or they have like diseases like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Would you give, no, would you be okay with your partner still being friends with exes?
Well, for me, no, because they have like a past,
Mm-hmm.
which it is not okay for me, because
It's a big no, right?
yeah.
I think most of Filipinas, especially like,
Yeah.
we're known as like jealous partners, so we don't really want that. Do you mind sharing your body counts if it's, okay?
Yeah, I have like one body count because I only have one boyfriend. Yeah,
One boyfriend since birth.
since birth.
Okay. You're in college, right?
Yeah, I'm actually working right now in the BPO company.
That's why your English is good. Does body count matter to you?
Of course, yes, because I really value relationship, and it's like very embarrassing for me that my partner has a lot of body count, and I just don't want a man like that. And I am just happy that I think it's not like that.
I think. Okay. Okay. How about you, sir? Does it matter to you?
Well, yes, it does matter because she may have disease if she do have a lot of body count, so that really matters also. And I hope she doesn't have too many guys she's involved with, so that's why it matters.
Okay. Now, mom, this is for you. Okay. Do you really think women should know their partner's body count?
Yes, of course, because he already mentioned about having a diseases. So it's really important to know that your partner is safe, because it's really very dangerous to also get that disease from him. So, we also need to be healthy and to have a happy relationship, and to be able to have a happy relationship is also to be healthy as well.
Do you have anything to add from that?
Well, actually, it's just the same answer for me. Yeah.
Okay. Now, would you be okay with your partner still being friends with exes?
Yes, because this is just like being mature. If he really loves me, even though he is friend with his ex, it will never change the way he feels towards me. And I believe that if you really love the person, you will only see that person. Thank you.
Wow, that's very mature. Something that we didn't hear earlier. So, okay, how about you, sir?
Actually, no. Just because he may do some illegal moves. Yeah. So that's probably my answer because you can trust anybody nowadays. That's why I don't like her being involved with her ex again. Something like that.
Oh
Yep.
yeah. I also maybe he trusts me, but the other person is like maybe they have any bad intentions. So I understand also.
Okay. You trust him, he trusts you, but the other person is something like, uh-oh,
Yeah.
like that. Does body count matter to you?
No, as long as there's no AIDS or any.
Do you really think women should know their partner's body count?
Yes po. And open naman po ako about
About what? You're open to what?
that matter po.
Okay, so they should, right? Why do you think women should know?
For to know if a lot of na women na ng boy.
If he has slept with a lot of women, would you be okay with your partner still being friends with exes?
For me, no.
Why no?
Um, I don't have any experience po about that. But for me, being close to their exes or fast flings po, result to misunderstanding of someone to their girlfriend po. Misunderstanding kung why they are close. Eh, he has na a girlfriend po. To protect her girlfriend's peace po.
Okay, to protect the girlfriend's peace of mind. Like she will feel like okay, like this, like that. So you mentioned that you have no experience. That means you have no boyfriend before, no boyfriend since birth.
Yes, I have. But one only po. And we have the same po na first.
Oh, first girlfriend, first boyfriend. Does body count matter to you?
I think no, because past is past.
Past is past. That's very common saying when you were like in elementary. Well, anyway, thank you, sir. How about this one? Do you really think women should know their partner's body count?
I think also it's the same. My answer, I because also I think past is past. If you think that uh that if how many if your girlfriend is how many ang gulo, wait lang.
Okay, if you're gonna think that your girlfriend had a lot of body count,
Oo. I think no, kasi it the same two is past is past.
anyway, we really appreciate, sir. Thank you for answering our questions. That's it. No, don't worry. That's it. No more. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections